Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is the feature you are trying to use is on a network resource that is unavailable. So if you are receiving this error message on your Windows computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. The first step is to enable Windows installer service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows installer in the list. Make a double click on Windows installer and then make sure this is running. So click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. If this is already running, make a right click and then click on restart. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, run program install and uninstall troubleshooter. You have to go ahead and run this troubleshooter. So for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see download troubleshooter option. So click on download and then run this file. Now click on next and let the troubleshoot complete. Now after the troubleshoot, now if you are facing this problem while installing or uninstalling, you can select the option which you want, which is actually the problem, and let the troubleshoot complete. And select the name of the software which is giving you the error message. This is just an example. Then click on next. And then if you want to uninstall, click on uninstall. And once that is complete, restart your computer and then check. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, make changes in the registry. Now before you make changes in the registry, create a backup of the registry. So type in a registry editor in Windows search box, then click on registry editor. Click on yes to allow. To create a backup of the registry, click on file, then click on export. Select desktop as location and you can name it as backup. And then for export range, select all and then click on save and let the backup complete. So just wait for a few seconds or maybe a minute. Now once the backup is done, you can make changes. Now in future, if you want to restore the registry, if something wrong happens, in that case, go to file, then click on export. Go to file, then click on import and then go to desktop and select the backup and then click on open. This will restore the registry. Now copy this location. The location is provided in the video description. Paste the location on the top and then hit the enter key. Now over here you will find so many folders. Now you have to go ahead and select all the entry one by one and look for the software which is giving you the error message. For example, if I select this, under product name you will find the name of the software. So for example, I'm selecting this entry. The product name is Epic Games Launcher. So whichever software is giving you the error message, you have to go ahead and select that particular folder. So you have to go ahead and check each folder one by one and find the software which is giving you the error message. So once you select each entry, on the right hand side, always look for product name. So make sure that you delete the folder which is giving you the error message. Deleting other entry may give you other error message and may corrupt your operating system. So make sure that you delete the correct software which is giving you the error message. So select each entry one by one and then make a right click on that entry and then click on delete. Now once you delete the entry, now close the registry editor and then restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this and then you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.